My name is Ashish Kapoor. Thank you first of all very much that for checking in here. I wrote most of the people that are checking in here a small mail about 5 mistakes that the startup CEOs do. In last about month and a half, we met about 150 CEOs of the startups. It was a great experience for us. We understood a lot of things about you. We understood your growth aspirations, your passion, your newly developed products and services. Now, what we're looking to do here in this small video is to help you with the fact that how you can mend those mistakes. Basically, the first way to do it in terms of selling is that first of all that you need to build attraction around your product, right? Second thing is you need to build comfort around the product, that people should trust you, people should build, think that you're a credible company, and then only you can lure, customers or make clients for your products and services. Just transferring your emotions directly, being very zealous about, or very passionate about your product does not help. Second thing I would like to tell you is that as soon as you meet somebody, maybe it's a VC for your next funding, maybe you're a prospect, you need to strike a good rapport with them. Because unless you have good friendliness with them, friendly relationship built with them, they are very seldom gonna buy, right? Nothing sells automatically. Even cards such as American Express or jewelry or anything has to be sold. So we need to sell ourselves, or we need to sell our products and services. So, but first of all, people buy personalities. They do not buy your product or services. So they do not want to understand what product or benefit your product offers. So let me give you a small example. People are not interested that in the next Apple MacBook because of its benefits or features. What they really want to understand is what it can do for them, not in what terms. So let me just give you answer very step-by-step way. The benefit, or let's say the feature of a new laptop or a MacBook or whatever, is that it is faster, it has more RAM and everything. Now what is the benefit of that? The benefit of that is that it's faster and it's more reliable, it's more sturdy. Now why people do not buy the features or the benefits? What they really buy is solutions and the relief they get. So let me tell you what is a solution. Solution is that you can work harder, and or maybe you can work longer, right? That means there's less interruption. That is the solution that the new laptop or a better laptop offers. And what is a relief? Relief is that you do not have to look for charging port. Relief is that your work is secure. You can work for longer hours before without any interruptions. So people buy reliefs and solutions. They do not buy facts, or let's say features or benefits. So you will have to be very mindful of this fact. So last thing I will say in terms of launching your product is there are 17 different channels through which you can launch your products. Most of the startup CEOs just want to launch it to 3 or 4 things. They either want to be totally online or they want to be offline. They want to do something different. Like everything, marketing is also a science. So basically you need to follow the rules of the science to be successful. So we at Tacking would love to be part of your growth journey. We would want to help in creating break-even points for you. Basically that you are successful, you are into profits. Your investment of time, energy, and attention turns into profits and value to the customers. So we are able to connect you with the customer through our selling experience for last 22 years, for our marketing experience for last 4 to 5 years. We've done sales and marketing for huge brands such as American Express to Tanishq, to Snapdeal, to Myntra, to HP, to Philips, you name it. And now we want to help SMB companies as individual, as an agency. We believe you will be able to add great value to you. And to understand or figure out more about us, like our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or just respond back to our email. So thank you very much for your time. Thanks once again.